Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to make snails with pork curry and have it with manchang iromba. Ingredients are half kg of snails, half onion, some garlic cloves, a piece of ginger, this is Szechuan peppercorn leaves, dry one, around half kg of pork, 2 potatoes and Szechuan peppercorn. I'm using Szechuan peppercorn as well as the leaf. They go very well with the pork and snails. Let's start preparing it. The wok is hot now, so let's put the pork. Now I put the Szechuan peppercorn, curry. Let's put the crushed ginger garlic. Salt to taste. I'll put 2 tomatoes, some chili powder, 1 tablespoon and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Over it and cook for some time. Let's put the potatoes. Some of the Szechuan peppercorn leaf and 1 good jolokia, dry one. Let's put cold water. Mix it nicely. salt. Let's put the snails. Mix it up. Now it's time to enjoy. This is today's special pork with snails and Szechuan peppercorn. It's dry one. If you want gravy, you can put it. This is also very special. This is manchang with aloo. Manchang ga aloo iromba ni sise. And this is boiled pumpkin, just plain boil. And I have got thamjit. This is lotus seed. After long time, I'm having this snail. Thanks to my friend Romita and Robert. They have brought this all the way from Manipur. This also. So amazing. Iromba si haure sa kuire. And the snails, let me try. The taste of snails is very much resemble to clam or oyster. After many years, I'm having snails. The taste is amazing. I have put Szechuan peppercorn and the leaves as well. So the fresh smells of Szechuan peppercorn you can taste. Sa ada buku haure betul na. Roy se Manipur dai ai imanabi Romita ga Robert na prakti ne. Yang wana prakti gre. So magyam thagat sare. Okay. Motrobi mana su hapne yam zane motrobi ga roi se Mansangnya menam-nam siya, pero na. Okay. This is wild vegetables. You get only in the mountains. The taste is just amazing. This is young pumpkin. Boiled pumpkin taste is very good. It's young, that's why I boil it with the skin. Oh, I love this Szechuan peppercorn. First I know tháo cái khâu thôi quá ngâu thôi cái gì mà nằm đi dạng thôi vậyดูซุปงานดูมุกทอกเสียครับดูปั่นเลยก็น่าจะเรียกว่ามาฮีกังใบนะมาฮีกังใบสวยนะIt's amazing. Rồi chào nhé. I'll use toothpick to take out the snails. So good. Finger licking good. Khảo đấy. Thịt này. This is lotus seeds. I'll peel and have it. We call it hamjet. This is the seeds. Peel it. I'll peel and break in half. Then you'll find this green. I'll take this out. Bitter and dead. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and click the bell icon as well. Bye.